In this segment, we will see how to get the Unsplash API, what exactly we need for it. Here, in the free stock to video module, you will find in the stock video control section, there is an option at 1 o'clock, which is use stock image from Unsplash API, or at 1 o'clock there is use stock. Images and videos will come from Unsplash and Pexels respectively, and your video will be created by mixing them. If you only want to use images, select this option. If you only want stock videos, select that option. And if you want to use any stock video from your local files, select this option. That means if you want to use stock images, you need to provide the Unsplash API key here. Now, how to get the Unsplash API key? You can either click here if you want, or you can just type Unsplash API key, search it on Google at 1 o'clock. After searching, you'll go to their developer link. Once you're there, you need to go to your app. But before that, you must sign up. So let me log out and show you how to sign up. For example, when I come here, you'll see that you need to register as a developer. So when you click on register as a developer, here's what you need to do. Enter your first name, last name, email, and your username. Then set a password and complete the registration. After registering, just click on login and use your username or email and password to log in. I have logged in. So after logging in, what you need to do is just click here. After clicking, go to Developer API Key, click on Developer. When you click on Developer API Key, you'll see your app. Click on your app. After going to your app, you'll see new application. In my case, I've already created one, which is why it's showing up here. You will create a new application. Go to New Application. After clicking, check all the boxes and accept the terms. See, once you accept all the terms, it will ask you to provide a name and a description. So I'm just putting test here. All right. So after clicking Create Bill, you'll see that your access key will automatically appear here. This is basically your key. You don't need a separate secret key, just the access key. Copy it carefully and paste it here, then click on Test. If it's valid, you can click Save to save it now. What is the limit for this? This is your limit. Every 50 reminders, the 50 are used up. So that means it's 50 per hour. That means you can download 50 images per hour. Now, it might happen that for one script or one video, you need 200 images. In that case, what you should do is create 20 Unsplash accounts. Why create 20 accounts? If you create 20 trial accounts, that means you get 20 for free if you create them now. What will happen is that with your 20 accounts, 50 each, that's almost 1,000, meaning with 50 per account, you can download 1,000 images per hour. So you can download 1,000 images per hour. That should be enough for your needs. But if you want even more, you can download more by creating more accounts. So what you need to do here is just this. You will add these tokens by separating them with commas in the Commerce app. Once you add them, what will happen is that when you render the video, if the limit of this API is reached, it will automatically rotate to the next API and send the request there. Once that is used up, it will move on to the next one. In this way, you will be able to successfully generate 100 videos. So this is the system for obtaining and adding the Unsplash API key. So thank you. And next time we will make another video, inshallah.